what is gratuity? Today we are going to look at the issue of gratuity as a form of payment that is paid by the employer to an employee. So gratuity can be defined as a sort of a monetary gift that is paid for an employee who has worked for a number of certain years. So you normally find, just like service pay, an employee does not need to contribute to qualify for gratuity. But the key thing you find here is an employer will normally tie the employee to a certain number of years, such that at the end of that period they can qualify for gratuity. The other thing you need to know that it must be anchored in the contract for you to qualify for gratuity. So if your 5 years end and you didn't have any clause talking about gratuity, then it doesn't mean that you go to your employer to ask for payment, because like we saw, it's a monetary gift. But there are some times where this can be waived, say situations of disability or even death of an employee. So those are two common scenarios where I've seen the number of years being waived and actually an employer having some form of monetary compensation to the employee. So in a nutshell, gratuity is not really anchored in law as just like any other gift, and will purely depend on the relationship or the agreement that an employer has with an employee. So a lot of the organizations that I've consulted for, you normally find they've indicated gratuity in their HR policy, so that by the time a new employee joins, they already know the terms and the practice of the organization. And gratuity, in my experience, is more common in the non-profit sector. These are the organizations that, because of the nature of their job, they normally have their staff on contract, and at the end of the contract, they will normally award the employee some form of monetary compensation. So that's it when it comes to gratuity. For more videos on the labor laws, for more videos touching on your career and tips, please subscribe today.